Hello and welcome to this review of the Walkera T210 Mini Drone. Today, we'll be reviewing the Walkera T210 Mini Drone. This drone is perfect for beginners and offers features such as a 4K camera, GPS auto return home, and 30 minutes of flight time. Let's take a closer look at this impressive drone. The Walkera T210 Mini Drone has a lightweight and foldable design, weighing less than 249 g. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around and fly without any restrictions. The drone's aerodynamic design and powerful motors allow it to handle winds up to level 7. The T210 Mini Drone comes with a 4K/30 FPS camera and a 3-axis mechanical gimbal that provides stable and smooth footage. The ultra-wide-angle lens and H.264 encoding format output make your creations more inspired. Safety features. The T210 Mini Drone is designed to fly safely, with intelligent functions like GPS auto return home, throw to fly, follow me, and waypoints. Its multi-sensors, visual optical flow positioning, and air pressure altitude control system make it perfect for beginners. Flight time. The T210 Mini Drone boasts an impressive 30 minutes of flight time. This extended flight time allows you to fly longer and capture more stunning aerial footage. Conclusion. Overall, the Walkera T210 Mini Drone is an excellent option for beginners who are looking for a high-quality drone with impressive features. Its lightweight and foldable design, 4K camera, and safety features make it a great choice for capturing footage on the go. With 30 minutes of flight time and level 7 wind resistance, the T210 Mini Drone offers a safe and stable flight experience for both beginners and experienced drone pilots.